Hi, I'm Zach with Max Access by Online ADA, the #1 fully automated ADA and WCAG compliance solution. In this video, you will learn how Online ADA's AI-powered technology makes any website accessible and compliant with the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, the ADA, and other worldwide regulations. Most importantly, you'll see how Max Access enables a wide array of people with disabilities to interact with your website effectively. Max Access includes two different components that work simultaneously to achieve compliance, and a third component that gives you total control over features, including the AI itself. It also provides a rich amount of information so you know how your website is being brought into compliance. The first one is our Accessibility Toolbar, which is mostly responsible for adjusting the user interface and website content. The toolbar is simple, it's elegant, so it's easy for people with disabilities to use. It covers about a third of the WCAG requirements and includes adjustments for font sizing, color contrast, focus indicators, and more to assist the visually impaired. It also includes a font that improves readability for those with dyslexia. The interface also features an AI-driven screen reader, and the toolbar is completely tab navigable, so people who use alternative input methods other than a mouse can easily navigate your website. There are other enhancements and features you can discover on our toolbar, but for now, let's move on to the next component where the real magic happens. The second component of Max Access is our artificial intelligence system. Our AI is responsible for handling a majority of the WCAG requirements. There are layers of compliance remediation within our AI system. Some fix code compliance, like the alt tags and ARIA labels, while others provide additional user interface enhancements, like making your website tab navigable or providing element focus indicators for visual or motor impaired. To make these adjustments, the AI scans and analyzes your site using a contextual understanding process that learns the purpose and function of each and every element before fixing it. Pop-ups, drop-downs, forms, validations, menus, and buttons are all included. Then it applies different behaviors and ARIA attributes according to best practices and guidelines. Not only that though, Max Access utilizes OCR image recognition technology to automatically provide accurate alternative text descriptions for images. This all happens on the fly and within seconds of installing Max Access on your website. The third component is the dashboard and reports. Max Access goes way beyond simply making your website compliant. It provides detailed page-level reports that show your compliance both before and after Max Access has been installed. This way, not only can you ensure optimal compliance, you'll know exactly what it's fixing down to the specific code element. The dashboard also provides a color blindness report so you can see what your site looks like to those with varying levels of color blindness. The dashboard also allows you to manage and override the alt tag image descriptions and ARIA labels on your website for maximum control of your user experience and for search engine optimization. There are also advanced options so you can decide which features you want enabled, how the toolbar is displayed and affects your website, and which code the AI impacts. And last but not least, the dashboard also links you to our video walkthroughs and training on WCAG. So you can also use it as a tool to educate yourself, your IT team, or marketing staff in regard to accessibility, compliance, and best practices. Now that we've covered the technical aspects, let's talk about the process. After the initial installation, which only takes about a minute, the Max Access tool immediately appears on the site and the AI starts to make your website compliant. The best part is, it's always ensuring compliance by rescanning and reanalyzing your website every 24 hours to remediate new content, widgets, pages, and anything else that you add on the site. And finally, you'll get an accessibility statement for your website. The statement provides details about the website's level of accessibility, browser compatibility, adjustments that have been made, instructions on how to report issues, and more. Impressive, isn't it? We didn't even mention the Max Access Plus features, like being able to choose from over 28 languages, multiple speaking styles, and voice options for your screen reader, as well as many other great features. That's it. I hope you enjoyed our demo. If you have any questions, contact us or start your free 14-day trial and try Max Access for yourself.